Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows 11 operating system. Go to any search engine and search for download Oracle SQL Developer. Then click on this first link, that is oracle.com technologies, then download. Then click on Oracle SQL Developer downloads. The latest table version is 22.2. Here we have different columns: platform, download and nodes. We have different platforms: Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, Mac OS, Linux and other platforms. We are going to install SQL Developer on Windows 11 operating system. Then click on this first link, that is download. Its size is 434 megabytes. Then click on download. We have to log in to the Oracle account. Don't have an account, just click on this create account and log in. See, once we enter credentials, it automatically started downloading. Then go to downloads. Downloading file is zip file. I am pausing this video until this download completes. See, download is completed. Go to downloads directory, right click on it and select extract all. Then choose the path folder to be extracted. If you want to extract separate folder, then browse and select it. I am going to default one. We have successfully extracted. Unlike other softwares, we don't have any option to double click on install the SQL Developer. We need to copy this entire directory to program files. Then go to C drive, program files, copy this extracted file to the C drive. Paste here. Click on continue. See, copy is successful. Then double click on this SQL Developer. This is the welcome page of SQL Developer. Click on this plus button for new connection, or right click on Oracle connections and select new connection. Provide the name for Oracle connection. I am giving Oracle 19. Before connecting, if you haven't installed Oracle, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. I have installed Oracle 19c on my Windows 11 operating system. Then provide the username, sys role, select as sys DBA, then provide the password. Then click on connect. Replace this XE with ORCL. Then connect. See, we have successfully connected. If you expand tables, these are the tables in my current Oracle instance. If you want to create a table, then just type the command create table R2 schools technology is the column name and varchar 50. Then click on this execute button to run the query in SQL Developer. See the output here. Table R2 schools created. If you don't see here, right click and click on refresh. Scroll down. See here. Table is created. See the column name, data type, nullable, data default, column ID and comments. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows 11 operating system. For more Oracle videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.